United States developments. Now, in a major release, the US Justice Department has made over 240,000 pages of documents public related to the assassination of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The files include records from the FBI, which had long surveilled the civil rights leader as part of an effort to discredit him. Dr. King was killed on the 4th of April in 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee, during a time of widespread civil unrest. US President Donald Trump signed an order in January calling for these files to be released, continuing his promise of increased transparency about the assassination of King, Robert F. Kennedy, and John F. Kennedy. King's family has asked the public to approach the documents with empathy and respect, reiterating their belief that their father was the victim of a broader conspiracy. These new revelations are part of an ongoing effort to shed light on the turbulent and controversial history surrounding Dr. King's assassination and the FBI's surveillance of him. We're once again joined by Dr. Nagao to discuss this. Dr. Nagao, how might the release of these FBI files affect global perception of US commitment to human rights and transparency, especially in this time and this opposition that Donald Trump is facing over the Epstein files?
Releasing the information and publishing information the government took is a good thing in the democratic country generally. So that's why the releasing itself is not wrong. The problem in this case, is in case of Martin Luther King, that time the FBI tried to damage the image of Martin Luther King. That was the operation that time, and they they collect information and create something the new image of Martin Luther King. So if the government releases this information outside, it looks like some certain number of the people understand that this is a new image of Martin Luther King FBI setup, and the current image is damaged. That is a concerning point of the relative of Martin Luther King, family of Martin Luther King side. So releasing itself, generally this is the rule of the democracy, it is very good. But at the same time, what kind of information government will release is when people talk about the result of this releasing, they start worry. But generally, releasing itself is a good thing because transparency is important.
Yes.
In case of the other cases you mentioned, this is different case, maybe case by case we should mention, because this is the issue in the past, but you mentioned is the issue just now, so impact is completely different, I think. Thank you.
Yes, Dr. Nagao, thank you. You are staying with us to discuss things further. We move over to South America now, where Brazil's Supreme Court has